The brave choice of stepping into your own light, putting yourself first, it's not selfish. It's an act of self-love and self-respect. It means you're choosing to honor your own needs. You're saying, I matter. This declaration is a powerful affirmation of your own worth. This simple, powerful statement can change everything. It can shift your perspective and transform your life. We are often taught to prioritize others, to put their needs before our own. Society conditions us to believe that self-sacrifice is noble, but this can leave us feeling empty, unseen, and unheard. It can drain our energy and diminish our spirit. True connection with others begins with a strong connection to ourselves. When we understand and honor our own needs, we can better understand and honor the needs of others. It's about filling our own cup first. Only then can we truly give to others from a place of abundance. Choosing yourself is like deciding to tend to your own garden. It requires patience, care, and consistent effort. You must water your own soul, nurture your own dreams. This is how you grow and flourish. If you don't, who will? No one else can do this work for you. This journey requires honesty, asking you to look within, to see what truly makes your heart sing. It demands self-reflection and courage. It's about understanding your own unique constellation of needs and desires. Each star represents a part of you that deserves attention and care. When you value yourself, you teach others how to value you. You set the standard for how you expect to be treated. It's about recognizing your inherent worthiness. You are enough just as you are. You don't need to earn it or prove it. You simply are worthy. This realization is liberating. Embracing this choice allows you to show up in the world as your true self. It empowers you to live authentically, just you, authentic and whole. This is the essence of true fulfillment. The wise Carl Jung spoke of individuation, the journey of becoming your true whole self. It's about integrating all parts of who you are, the light and the shadow. He believed this process was vital, the path to a meaningful life. Prioritizing yourself, in Jung's view, isn't narcissism. It's a necessary step towards wholeness. It's about discovering your unique pattern, like finding your own distinct star in the vast cosmic tapestry. This journey is deeply personal. Putting yourself first is heeding this call from your soul. It's about daring to be different, to follow your own inner guidance, even when it feels like you're swimming against the current. This is where true strength is found, in honoring your own unique path. Sometimes our lives become cluttered, not just with physical things, but with commitments, beliefs, and relationships that no longer serve us. These elements can act like clouds, obscuring our inner light, dimming our personal sky. Putting yourself first means having the courage to clear these clouds. It's about making space for what truly matters, for what brings you joy and peace. This process of letting go can feel daunting, but it is incredibly liberating. Think of your life as a constellation. Each star represents something important to you, your values, your passions, your connections. Sometimes other stars or even cosmic debris can drift in. They might block the light of your own stars. Removing these elements is like carefully tending to your constellation, ensuring that your true lights can shine brightly. It requires honest assessment. What truly belongs in your sky? What is simply taking up space or casting a shadow? This discernment is key. Letting go is an act of self-compassion. Toxic relationships can be like black holes. They drain your energy, dim your light, and pull you off your true course. Putting yourself first means recognizing these dynamics. It means finding the courage to create distance or, if necessary, to remove yourself from their gravitational pull entirely. This is not an act of cruelty. It is an act of self-preservation. It is about protecting your own precious energy, your own inner peace, your own unique constellation. Identifying a toxic orbit isn't always easy. These relationships can be disguised. They might come with a history or with a sense of obligation. But your inner knowing, your intuition, will often send signals, a feeling of dread, a constant sense of being drained, a pattern of feeling small or unseen. These are your inner stars trying to guide you, warning you that you are veering into a harmful space. Listen to these subtle or not so subtle cues. They are there to protect you. Section 5. Honoring your true north, declining detours. Our lives are filled with invitations, each one vying for our attention and time. Invitations to events, to projects, to ways of being, and to countless other commitments. Not all of these invitations align with our true north, with our deepest values and desires. Some may even lead us away from our intended path. Putting yourself first means learning to politely, but firmly, decline those that lead you astray, those that do not serve your higher purpose. It's about discerning what truly resonates with your soul and what is merely a distraction or an obligation that doesn't serve your higher purpose. This requires deep introspection and honesty with oneself. This discernment is a skill honed by self-awareness, by understanding your own needs and desires. Think of your true north as your guiding star, the one that always points you toward your most authentic life, your most genuine self. When you say yes to something that doesn't align with this star, you take a detour, a path that may lead you away from your true purpose. Too many detours can leave you feeling lost, disconnected from your own path, and unsure of your direction. Learning to say no is not about being negative or dismissive. It is about saying a bigger yes to yourself, to your own journey and well-being. A yes to your own well-being, a yes to your priorities, a yes to your own precious time and energy. This practice requires courage and conviction. We often fear disappointing others, but remember, honoring your true north is the ultimate act of self-respect. Section 6. Cosmic Winks, Recognizing Life's Synchronicities. Life often sends us subtle messages, meaningful coincidences, unexpected connections. Carl Jung called these synchronicities. These are not random occurrences. They are like little winks from the universe, nudges to pay attention. They often appear when we are at a crossroads or when we are deeply aligned with our true selves. Recognizing these synchronicities is a powerful tool for navigating life. It's like seeing shooting stars that momentarily light up your path. These cosmic winks can take many forms. Section 7. The Soul's Compass, Trusting Your Inner Knowing. Deep within each of us lies an inner compass, a quiet wisdom. Some call it intuition, others call it a gut feeling, or the voice of the soul. This inner knowing is your most reliable guide. It always points towards your truth, towards what is authentically right for you. Putting yourself first means learning to listen to this compass, to trust its guidance, even when it contradicts logic or the opinions of others. This trust is built through practice and quiet attention. Our inner compass speaks in subtle ways, a sense of peace when something is right, a feeling of unease when something is off, a sudden insight, a persistent nudge. It doesn't shout, it whispers. In our busy, noisy world, it can be easy to ignore these whispers. Section 8. Mapping Your Constellation, Synchronicities and Self-Discovery. Synchronicities and inner cues are not isolated events. They are interconnected. Like stars forming a constellation, they map out a path that is uniquely yours. When you start paying attention to both, you begin to see a larger pattern emerge, a beautiful design that guides you towards self-discovery and growth. Putting yourself first allows you the space and clarity to perceive this personal constellation, to understand its meaning for your life. It's a deeply personal and sacred map. Each synchronicity, each intuitive nudge is a point of light on your map. Reflect on them, journal about them. What themes emerge? What messages are being repeated? Section 9. Your universe awaits, living a life aligned and true. This is a journey of self-discovery and empowerment, embracing self-priority, listening to your inner cues, and recognizing synchronicities all lead to one place, a place where your heart feels at home, a life that feels authentic, where every moment resonates with your true self. a life that is truly yours, crafted by your own hands and choices. It's like stepping into your own personal universe where you are the creator, one that you have consciously crafted, filled with your unique essence, filled with stars that represent your joys, your passions, and your deepest truths. Each star a reflection of your inner world. This is not a destination to be reached, but a journey to be embraced. It is a way of living, a lifestyle that nurtures your soul, a continuous journey of alignment and self-love. It is your birthright, a gift to cherish. Taking control of your life in this way is an act of profound self-creation. You become the artist of your own destiny. You are no longer a passive observer, but an active creator. You are an active participant, shaping your reality with intention, co-creating your reality with the universe, in harmony with its rhythms. You learn to navigate by your own inner light, trusting your intuition. You clear away the cosmic dust that obscures your vision, revealing clarity. You bravely step away from orbits that drain your energy, choosing paths that uplift you. You trust the winks and whispers that guide your path, leading you to fulfillment. This is the art of living consciously, a masterpiece in progress.